I'm BU1 Lemelin. We are in the repair shop at USS Constitution. So in the shop we do an array of things. One day we could be making a sign for the USSO that's just kind of a quick and easy lasered joined sign, or it could be a treasure chest or a flag coin display. So we always try to incorporate a piece of the ship into everybody's farewell gift or gifts in general that we do, whether that's white oak, live oak, pine, Douglas fir, ship's copper, copper nails, leather, or a piece of sail. This is a ship's wheel. You obviously can't put a whole ship in the P-way at the Pentagon, so when you're thinking of a ship, what is the thing that comes in your mind is the helm. The Constitution's double wheel is pretty iconic, so I think that's also will be a good representation, like the original starting point of the Navy, the last original of the 6 frigates, kind of representing where we started, where we are now, and where we're heading.